The erstwhile land of the Nizam beckons. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the city of Hyderabad, venue for this third and final T20 international in the IDFC First Bank T20 series. It's bathed in orange. It's the land of the sunrisers. It's home to the sunrisers. And it will be the playing field for both these teams one last time in this series. India already having clinched the series. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium is venue. In spite of it being sort of a dead rubber, it's good to see everyone turning out in droves. They're lined up for a long time. It's a new, young side, and they've played very good cricket, and they want to be here to watch them once again. What a series it has been. New look side. You remember Medias and Miraj bowled a few sliders and was hit for a few boundaries by that man. Shot and put away. The first runs on board for India. And they start with a couple of runs to Sanju Samson.
He has been the leading run scorer for Bangladesh.
Just make sure when you get the names right, tick in.
Down the track, inside out, and a 4 to Abhishek Sharma.
He does play that shot well.
Quite the proof. Swings on the onside, but drifting down the leg side. So first over done, 7 without loss. Backs away and carves it through covers for 4. Super shot from Sanju Samson.
The key was didn't try to hit it too hard, just timed it beautifully. The ball was there to hit it.
Backs away again. Even better. Had to hit it on the up. The same direction and the same result.
Absolutely magnificent.
This time through the onside. Once again, sublime timing from Sanju Samson.
A very talented player in full flow.
Flick through the onside, much finer, no chance for deep square leg. So 4 boundaries on the bounce, 16 runs off that over, 23 without. Bowled quick, should have his first man, yes. Taken of the very first ball, short ball. And Abhishek Sharma once again falling to the same bowler.
He was in no position.
Was it drifting down the leg, going for the Yorker? Don't think Surya Kumar was expecting.
You know, first up, you are very well known.
You don't bowl there to Surya Kumar Yadav. He's going to hit you every time, all day long. A 6 to Sky.
Last heat.
In the air, towards deep mid-wicket. And no, for a second, one thought that he would have stopped it. Backs away and pulls it over mid-wicket for a 4.
And this is exactly what Sanju Samson have been.
Beautiful, absolutely delicious. Right over the bowler's head for a 6. Another one of those Indian batters.
He's batted beautifully. Is amazed at into real the balance and the emphasis. Should be 4. Might have just got some bat on it as well. No, says the umpire. Leg buys. Of him getting 1 big innings. That's up in the air. It's into the crowd. Another big over. 16 of it. 63 for 1. That's in the air. Clears mid on. So both these bats. And again. It's in the air. And 1 bounce over the rope. He's literally flicked away. Ball racing away across the turf. 3 on the trot. 50 partnership comes up. And it's come in just 20. Holiday crowd. Whack! That's 6. 19 of the over. The final. That's a fine shot. Really good shot this. Straight away. Pulled away. And he's splitting the field. It's raining boundaries in 6. That's in the air and clears long off. A sparkling half-century from Sanju Samson. It's the fastest by an Indian against Bangladesh. It's taken him. That's a fine shot. A little bit of room. Get to even 270. What a shot! What a shot that is! My word, that's sheer power. It's off the back foot. It's 6 over extra cover.
Slog sweep. Finds the gap, just 1 bounce into the fence. So this is just outstanding batting. It's as if there is a rain. Brings out the sweep. And why wouldn't it be? They've got their foot on the accelerator and it's only getting better. A brilliant 6 by one and only Sanju Samson. Goes again. It's his favorite area. And it's beautiful to watch. Back-to-back 6s.
They're just too easy for Sanju Samson.
Goes again. Straighter towards the side screen. Place. Slower through the air and even longer from Sanju Samson. Make it 4 in the over. Around the wicket. And goes over mid-wicket. A bit of misjudgment. And it's a 6 once again. So 30 runs coming of it. 152 for 1. Heaves it towards the onside. Oh, 6 to Surya Kumar Yadav. Free hit. And it's been carved over backward point. Surya special. And the 150 of the partnership is up.
Again, an incredible.
2 overs for 16. Down the ground, and it's the first international T20 100 for Sanju Samson. It's the second fastest by an Indian. It's been an absolutely blistering and a blazing innings. That's in the air. They're finding the gaps today, India. Strike. And again, what power. What power there. A smack that should be taken. So straight to the fielder in the deep, and a magnificent innings from Sanju Samson comes to an end. Well, he'll get a standing ovation as he goes off the field. It's been a...
Because he didn't get
things right. This is great. He's picked his spot nicely, as he's done right through this innings. Deep as well. But this time he goes over deep mid-wicket. No. Caught in the deep. So another wicket goes down.
Successfully.
That's big. It's way back into the crowd. And a 6 to end the over after. Oh, what a shot that is. Oh, just a flick of the wrist with that bottom hand, and it's cleared the fence easily. Wow. Wow. We've seen some shots in this game. Is this the best of the lot? That's one.
Full toss. Hasn't missed out. Won't miss out, Rian. How do you bowl a dot ball? You have to feel for the bowlers. There is no respite, no hiding place, and they are getting clobbered.
And I said 6.
Oh, that's a blow which you want to hear again and again. High and mighty Hardik Pandya is putting on a... They're given immediately, and Rian Parag was walking. He'd let the charm life, couple of reprieves, but now he has to go back. A cameo. Yeah, twin pushed back. Does this sail? Yes. He's been so powerful there. He was in the air for a while, kept everyone interested. The helicopter. And it's been taken, very well taken. Rishad Hussain had to put in the jump. Not easy at all. But another good innings from... Rinku Singh finishes it with a 6. So 20 overs, Rinku Singh. Oh, he's just too good. India finishing with 297.
It's the bowlers.
Youngsters, whole World Cup, but even Imon opportunities in this city.
To climb, Mayank ready who open.
So it gives him the opportunity. And straight away hurrying the batsman. It could be a wicket first ball. There was pace there, there was bounce there. He was bang on the money with the line. And a first ball wicket for India.
Then those lights to the side boundaries as this is swung away. What a shot from Shanto.
This is a terrific hit. That's in the air, taken. He gets that extra bit of bounce. With the very first ball, Rian Parag, he doesn't miss many. The second catch for him.
2 more overs left. That's been crashed through covers. And had the width there. Lovely shot from Litton.
Well, just tells you what this game of impression that he's trying a little to. Everyone can understand.
Shot again and pumped again through the offside. So 20 coming off that over. Bangladesh 50. Should be gone. Should be gone. He was shaping for the reverse sweep even before Ravi Bishnoi got into his bowling action. Keeping it outside the leg stump. He only ends up edging the top edge.
Oh, that's a big hit. It's into the crowd. An effortless strike from Tauhid.
Because that's what he did against Bangladesh.
That's a good shot. Good effort in the deep, but the ball was travelling. The 100 comes up with that 6. Oh, misfield for...
The innings for him as
taken in the deep. Just didn't get the elevation. And that's a body blow for Bangladesh because it's Litton Das.
Straight to long on. And that'll be the end of Mahmudullah and his T20 international career. What a...
Another one goes.
No power at all. No power at all from Mahid.
That's up in the air. Again taken in the deep. Abhishek Sharma making no mistake.
He as well.
Final ball. So there you go. It's all over. India winning the series 3-0. It's a clean sweep.